Today I'll show you how to use Elementor to transform your boring site into something eye-catching with cool effects like this. It's super easy. All you have to do is go to this website, create or customize your particle effects, copy this code and paste it on your website. So watch till the end so that you do not miss any steps. Now before we start, I'll quickly create a new page to show the effect. So go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Add New and choose Edit with Elementor. To set up a clean workspace, switch the page layout to Elementor canvas. I'll go with a 2-column structure and make it full screen by setting the minimum height to 100 VH and then center align everything. Now let's add some color to the page so that the particle effect will be clearly visible. Select the main container, go to Style and pick a darker background. I'll go with this one. In the left column, we'll start by adding the text content. Head to the widget section, drag a heading widget over here and center the content like this. I'll quickly make a few changes here and it should look something like this. Next, drag a text widget like this and customize it using Style and Advanced tab. Let's add some text like this. Now, for the call to action, I'll drag a button widget under the text and change the color to white from here. Let's also add a border radius and change the text to this. Moving to the right column, let's add an image. So go to widget, drag and drop the image widget and from here, pick any image you want. For now, I choose this. Next, I'll go here and change the width, height and add some border here. Our section is done. Let's click on update and click this button to preview the page. It looks a bit basic and boring, right? But don't worry, we'll add the particle effect next. Before we move on, we need to make sure that our site is fast because adding customizations like these can slow down even a new website and drive away visitors. So I'll go to elif.net, sign up from here, enter my website URL and click continue. Elif will now optimize your site and it does everything that your site needs for a 90+ score like caching, image optimization, lazy loading and everything else. That's why you don't need to use multiple plugins for performance anymore. Just Elif is enough. The visual regression will also help you detect if any changes happened on your site. And in the rare occurrence if you don't get a 90+ speed score, you can just ping the free support here and they'll take care of it. Now let's move on to the next step. Okay, now it's time to add up particle effects. So I'll just go to this website and it gives us different types of particle effects. You can choose any one of them. By default, it gives us this basic effect that you can interact with, but we can choose from different animations like this. Okay, for now, I'll just pick this one. To customize it, first click on Particles option, and here you can adjust the number of particles by dragging the slider. Then, under Color, you can choose any color from the palette. I'll stick with white for now. Moving on, click on Shape, where you'll find multiple options from which you can choose. These polygons look pretty cool. And you can even adjust the number of slides. You can also choose shapes like triangles or stars under the image option. But for now, we'll keep it simple with circles. Okay, this looks nice, but what if you want to increase or decrease the particle size? To do so, go to the size option and you can change the particle size by adjusting the slider. I'll just use the standard size for now. Okay, now scroll down to the interactivity section and change detect on from canvas to window. This makes the particle react to the entire browser, which is what we want, right? Now that we are done with editing the particles, click on CodePen at the top. Here we get the HTML, CSS and JavaScript codes based on your customizations. Let's see how we can add this to our page. So let's go back to Elementor and head to the widget section. Look for the HTML widget and drag it to a page like this. First, go to the description, copy the code, come back and paste it here. And then we'll add the JavaScript code that was generated from the particles website. So just copy the entire code and paste it into the widget. After that, click the update button to save the changes. If you don't see the particle effect right away, don't worry, it's easily fixable. We just need to add a CSS ID to make the effect work. So go here, copy the ID, select the main container, go to Advanced tab and paste the ID here. Okay, I think I'm done. So let's update the page and click here to preview the changes. Okay, if I move my cursor, it looks cool. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.